Hey, we're at our first job of the morning, and I want to show you guys, we never show this, we're unloading all the junk from the car. So you see, we fit our Oreck Orbiter in here. I'll kind of show you to the side. Is the door unlocked still?
Yeah.
Okay. See, the handle sticks through here, and we have to kind of sit there driving down the road.
It works.
Yeah. It's a little tight on the elbow room, but we're both losing weight, so it's getting easier and easier.
And the best thing is, we don't have to buy a van to do this. We can buy a van, but we don't never have to. We could do this for years and years.
We've got all of our spotting chemicals, and we've actually got a
PadCap Pro.
PadCap Pro.
Yeah, boy.
And there's somewhere in here is a hand polisher. One of those Harbor Freight hand polishers. We've got one with us, so we're set for stairs and upholstery. And you see, it works.
It just works. You don't have to have a big car to get into this business. If you have a little compact car, don't be scared to get in business. You can do it.
Oh no, you could do this out of the trunk of a Fiat X19.
We're doing
well,
it.
Maybe not.
Here, hold this handle, Joe, so this don't wobble.
Okay. And they've got an old mail Jeep over there, and if you had something like that, you know, that's even got more room than this.
Sure does.
All right, I'll pause here and we'll start up when we get inside. All right, I'm gonna show you. We're actually just doing some bedrooms today. Here's one of them, and these carpets aren't super bad, but we're going to use PadCap Pro, and they've already been vacuumed, and they're going to be post-vacuumed when we're done. So that's one room. Come through here, and he's getting ready to spray one of the rooms right now, so we're starting up pretty quick. Okay, there's another room. I'm not going to walk in there, get in his way. And here's the third room. This is the biggest room. All right, so stay tuned. We'll get ready to start cleaning as soon as he gets done pre-spraying. All right, there's a 15-inch Glad pad. Let's see, we didn't get it that white yet. We're not that concerned with the with the pads being white. All right, the lights flickered a little bit. This is one of those examples of when you're using an Oreck Orbiter, you got 5 amps basically. It's already pulling up stuff. Their vacuum didn't work that good. If you came in here with a 17-inch buffer or a box extractor, you may not get it to run in here. If it's making the lights flicker on a little 5.4 amp motor, there's other machines may not run at all. So, yeah, this vacuum didn't work that great. Okay, PadCap Pro and a 15-inch Glad pad, Oreck Orbiter. I'll put links in the video description for these pads. We actually are really enjoying them, and there's a deal where you can get them for a discount price, and I'll put the information down in the video description for that. Links to buy an Oreck Orbiter if you want one. As of the making of this video, these things are about $302, so that's not a bad price.
That price is always subject to change.
Yeah, it changes, it fluctuates, but if you have a small car and you've got Oreck Orbiter to put in there, and you buy some pads, bonnets, and you have some basic chemicals to clean with, you can go out and start making money. Yeah, this post-vac is going to be something else. Alright, you can see our car way out there in the street. If the camera's showing through the window. Alright, he's about done with this room. I'm going to go ahead and pause. We're going to pre-spray the next room, and then I'll resume the camera. Alright, we're back. By here. Okay, lighting in here may be a little funny. You know that PadCap Pro has a funny smell to it, but I kind of like it.
I don't mind it.
It's a pleasant smell.
It's a good smell.
Okay, if you watched the video we did a couple days ago with these pads in the same encap solution, the pad basically turned black, but that was a very, very, very filthy carpet. These carpets are actually not too bad. They've got a lot of embedded dog hair in them, but other than that, they're pretty clean.
These carpets have some old like mascara and stuff like that in them, but it's dyed the carpet. But it's no, they're overall not heavy. soil.
So you'll see that pad takes a while to turn dirty this time.
It probably won't turn dirty because these carpets aren't dirty.
Yeah. Yep. Back here.
Well, that there, that's something that's deep into the carpet.
That looks like when they painted, they had a paint spill
like
or something.
A drywall or something.
Yeah.
That is not dirt or a stain. That's something else.
I'll hold this camera up nice and high. Try to show as much of this as I can because I can't really get over there. Now we came to do this job yesterday, actually. And when we got here, the power was off because they had a meter go bad. And so we sat around for a little while because the electric company was supposed to turn the power back on, and then it turned out it was going to turn into a big thing. So we had to reschedule some stuff, and we came back today. And now we're doing this, but it all works out. We kind of had a nice time waiting around with the customers. Just couldn't do anything. Okay, I'm going to pause here. He's going to do that closet, and I'll be ready to start in the last little room, so stay tuned. Alright, last room. Now there is a little green paint here in the carpet, and they may have used some Resolve or something on that, so that may turn white and foam up when we get it, but we'll see what happens.
The paint probably won't come out.
The paint won't probably come out, but it may foam up. No. But it may foam up anyway. If there's some Resolve in there, you'll know there'd be a white foamy spot maybe up here. Now that can also, sometimes Resolve can end up bleaching a carpet, other products like that. So this is something we talked with the customer about, letting them know that's a possibility too. And hopefully it won't happen like that, but it's possible. Yeah, a lot of times when you're cleaning a carpet, you don't know what's been put on the carpet before, and you mix your product with what's already residual that's in the carpet, and things can happen. So you got to be careful. You have no way of knowing what's in there.
But anyway, this is a PadCap Pro, and of course we're using the Glad Pack from Trinity. These are real nice bonnets. Real nice. I recommend them. I think they're might be the best bonnets I've ever seen in my life.
We have a contact person at Trinity called, her name's Victoria Heaberlin, and I'll give you the information in the video description. And you contact her, and what you need to do is tell her that you want the Joe Wheeler special, or tell her Joe Wheeler sent you, and she can hook you up with some deals on some products and things. And if you have an Oreck Orbiter, they're happy to provide you with stuff that'll help your Oreck Orbiter work better. And they also have a new machine they brought out. It's called the Trinity Junior, and it's a little bit bigger than an Oreck Orbiter, and it's a little more powerful.
You know, a lot of that green is coming out.
Good.
It's not going to come out, but it came out some.
But you talk to them about one of those machines when you get ready to upgrade from the Oreck Orbiter. Get something that's real similar to an Oreck Orbiter, just a lot faster.
If you get ready to upgrade.
Yeah.
We've been using an Oreck Orbiter for like 6 years, and we still don't see a need to upgrade. We're happy.
Well, we can't put a 17-inch machine in our car yet.
But these machines just work.
Yeah.
They work good. They're fast. Depends on what you're doing. We do a lot of homes.
Yeah.
A lot of homes and apartments and small businesses, and these just they get around in all those places.
Yeah, and we do some bigger jobs occasionally, and we have 3 Oreck Orbiters, so when we have to, we have another car we can use that's bigger, and we could take 2 or 3 orbs if we want, and we can even get people that want to go out and work for the day with us, and they know how to do the stuff because we trained them, and we can go out and we can take some pretty big jobs on with 3 Orecks.
Now we're going to do 3 area rugs, but we're not going to do no video.
Oh, area rugs are boring,
and we're just going to do them real quick.
They don't show up on camera very good, and plus I have to stand on one end so they don't flop around.
Yeah, they tend to want to pull around. So.
Well, we're about done, so I'll tell you what, check the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and ask. And I'll put links also for our Facebook group where we explain a lot of this stuff, and there's a lot of famous carpet cleaners in the group, so if you're wanting to get into this business and get some good advice on how to start, that's a really good place to go. It's a great venue if you're just getting started in this business, because there's Lots of people will try to discourage you. I'm going to walk through to these other carpets real quick. There's a lot of people who will try to discourage you. They don't want you to get into this business. They don't want the competition or whatever. And, you know, that it's a negative atmosphere on a lot of the forums and sites that you can go to in the Facebook groups. We try to make a positive place that's for people starting out so they can get the encouragement they need and get some good advice. So check that resource out and join the group. We also have an Oreck Orbiter group that's only for Oreck Orbiters, just to make it more specialized, that you can join also. I'll put links for that. Till next time, thanks so much for watching.